Prescription labels are often dense, technical, and inaccessible for patients with visual impairment, low literacy, or language barriers. This results in misinterpretation of dosage or instruction, causing medication errors. In order to address all these issues, we have brought you RxScan. So let's start demonstrating our application to you now. So we can use this application in 3 languages: English, Hindi, and Bengali. So let's continue with the English. Next, let's get started. So the user first needs to sign up, enter his name, email, and then password. It throws error because it needs password of 8 characters, not too long information. So first, let's start with adding the personal information of the user. So let's start with adding some drug allergies. So user can search for the allergies, or it will also recommend some of the allergies. Now let's add some medical condition if the user has. After that, user can also add some current medication that he is going on. For that, he can add dosage and frequency. Then if he has any dietary restrictions, he can also add up. We will see later on how these will help us. So now profile is completed. Let's go to the dashboard. So first we will start with scanning our prescription. So select the prescription. You can crop here if you wanted. And we'll start analysis here. So it will take a couple of minutes since we are using Gemini API Flash 2.5. So here it has extracted a text from the prescription using OCR, and now it is analyzing the data. It will take some time to analyze the data because we are using Google as a grounding tool here. Here we can see the medicines recognized from the prescription. Here we can see there are one critical, one moderate, and there are several of the information present here. We can see the overview, health conflicts with the previous entered data of the users. We can see the allergies, medical conditions, and then the current medication, if any, going on, and then with the dietary restrictions. Then here are some of the other information like ingredients of the medicine, side effects, interaction, and many others. For this, you need to visit our application. Now we can move ahead with saving our report. So prescription has been saved successfully in the database. Now we will see our prescription that has been already saved. Now we can also use TTS here for the visually impaired or for the senior citizen people. So it will it has already generated the speech which the user can hear based on the prescription that he has added. Now the speech has been generated and the user can hear it now.
Hello, Sachin Sanzar. This is your medical professional from the White Tusk Clinic, and I'm here to go for your prescription dated December 10, 2022.
You can also select the speed like 1.25 or 2x as well.
We prescribe a combination of medications to address your current condition,
You can
including
select the volume, percentage over here. Now let's go to the profile section. Here it will show all the health information like allergies, medical conditions, current medication, or any dietary restriction that the user has been following now. We can also select the languages which are English, Hindi, or Bengali. And as you can see, our page has been converted to Bengali. Let's continue in English. Now, as you can see, there is a reminder tab for which we need to set the prescription as active. So let's go to the prescription tab now. There is an option as setting it as active. So let's consider it. So now it's marked as completed. So here, as you can see, the active prescription has been marked and the reminders has been set. Now let's go to the reminders tab. So as you can see, all these reminders has been set basis on the current prescription uploaded by the user, and we can schedule the time as well. So with this application, let's scan, understand and stay healthy.